I lost faith in it the moment I was diagnosed with cancer. Let's point out that there are roughly 5 times more Republican voters and their children in the US than there are Canadians altogether. That I hit metal blacksmith because hitting people is illegal shirt at Howella. I hit metal blacksmith because hitting people is illegal shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I hit metal blacksmith because hitting people is illegal shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. I too felt very frustrated. It had numbness in my fingers that was eventually traced to a ruptured disc in my spine. First appointment with a doctor was in September. Surgery finally happened in February. One bad slip would have meant I was a quadriplegic. And I hit metal blacksmith because hitting people is illegal shirt who needed care more urgently than I do, and that the other product